Baking cups set. Get 4 shaped silicone cupcake liners with vibrant colors can mix your desired food. Versatile baking cups. Ideal for baking muffins, cupcakes, small cakes, eggs, jello, mousses, bath bombs or separate food for bento box. Premium silicone molds. Food-grade silicone, BPA-free, heat-resistant temperature as -104 to 446, -40 to 230. Safe for use in the oven, freezer, microwave and dishwasher. Non-stick easy release. Flexible and easy to clean, just release with fingers without any residue. Save time to enjoy more fun on DIY healthy treats. Vibrant cupcake molds can brighten up your food. Each shape has 6 muffin molds. Great for parties and separate your various foods. Top reviews from the United States. Very happy with these. It was good price for the amount that you get. I mainly got them to use in my daughter lunch. The different color sizes and shapes make it fun to add as dividers to her lunchbox. I also used them to mold chocolate and jelly. It easily removed from the food in there. I love how easy they are to clean. And so far have held their shape really well.